morning dears. Last day we have completed ascending and descending order. Now we have to find rational numbers between two rational numbers which is given. There are infinite rational numbers between two given rational numbers, but we need to find it. There are options, but what we are going to use, as you can see, you just follow. It's given 10 and minus 61 by 5. What is the value of this 10? 10 by 1, and here I have minus 61 by 5. To make it like, I have to multiply 5. If I am multiplying 5 down, so I have to multiply 5 up also. It can be written 50 by 5. Still the value is 10, but what I am doing, I made this 10 as 50 by 5, and second number we have minus 61 by 5. Now we have almost 90 rational numbers between these two, is it? As we know, minus 61 by 5 is less than 50 by 5. That we don't have to write. That to make you understand I am writing. So starting from minus 60 by 5, minus 59 by 5, minus 58 by 5, up to 48 by 5 and 49 by 5 are between minus 61 by 5 and 50 by 5. This many numbers are in between these two rational numbers, is it? To make it equal, it look equal, I have multiplied 10 as 5 up, 5 down, and 10 I am writing as in the term of 50 by 5. Now you have to choose any 4 numbers from here. Is it? To make you understand I am writing this also. 61 by 5 minus 61 by 5 is less than 50 by 5. So from here to here, this all the numbers are between. Now you choose any number. So 4 rational numbers between 10 and minus 61 by 5 are, right, minus 50 by 5, minus 40 by 5, is it? Minus 30 by 5 and minus 20 by 5. Anything you can take. Does not matter, is it? It's up to you what you are going to take. If you want to write, you can write this portion, but this is not necessary. To make you understand, I have written. You can also write, does not matter. Next we have minus 1 and 1. Now see number 2. Minus 1 and 1. So this minus 1, I can write it 1 minus 4 by 4, and 1 I can write it 4 by 4. So what are the numbers between minus, though we have the numbers, you can write 4 rational numbers between minus 1 and 1 are minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Till 4 by 4 we have rational numbers. So any 4 numbers we can take. Is it? This way we find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. We have to make the denominator equal. Then we have to find the numbers. We can. Minus 1 can be written as minus 4 by 4. Now this value is minus 1 only. And this 1 can be written 4 by 4. What does it value? 1. So we are writing it in a broader way, in an equivalent rational number, to get the more rational numbers in between. Okay. Now next we have state true or false. Minus 2 by 5 lies on the left of 0 on the number line. Yes, if it is negative rational number, it will be lying left of 0. Now I'm writing here true false. You have to rewrite it in the copy. This question number 5 and 6 both has to be written in the copy. With the statement with 6 you have to write this sentences what is asked. This is true. Number 2 is the distance between 0 and 2 by 5 is greater than the distance between 0 and minus 2 by 5. Yes, it will be equal. One is left side, one is right side. So that is false. Minus 10 by 3 is greater than 2. Since the distance 0 and minus 10 on the left side of 0 is greater than the distance of 0 and 2 on the right side. No, 0 and 2 and minus 10 by 3 means it will be 3 whole something. So this is also false. Even a very small positive number is greater than the very large negative number. True. 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. True. Now next it says, what is dense property? Find 7 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1. Now what is the dense property? You can write question number 7. We can find unlimited or infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. The property is known as dense property of rational numbers. Then second they have asked, find 7 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1. So 1 by 2 I can write it 10 by 20 and 1 I can write it 20 by 20. Now do we have numbers between them? So 7 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 are 11 by 20, 12 by 20, 13 by 20, 14 by 20, 15 by 20, 16 by 20 and 17 by 20. They are in between. This is question number 7. Now the absolute value, already you know what is the absolute value. Always the absolute value is a positive rational number. So minus 2 by 9 absolute value would be 2 by 9. How to write it? Question number 8. Number 1, it is minus 2 by 9. You will be writing within the bar minus 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. Bus finish, you don't have to write anything more. 3 by 7, you write within the bracket 3 by 7, the value is 3 by 7. So you will finish up to question number 8. Next day we will be learning addition of rational numbers, and if there is any doubt related to this exercise you can ask me in comment box. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.